The impact of a burn is so profound, it affects not only the physical characteristics of a person, but their emotions and their very inner spirit. It is overcoming those changes that is the real challenge to burn recovery.
ACBC stands for Aluminum Cans for Burned Children, and that is how this whole program began, was to take your aluminum cans to your local fire department, and all the proceeds from the aluminum cans went to our program.
Some of the major partners are the Northeast Ohio firefighters. We're affiliated with Metro Hospital.
Metro Health is involved with the program. It's a real, true partnership.
This is run by the nurses and the firefighters of Northern Ohio. We're very happy with the whole team.
ACBC has a lot of different programs.
We have a very extensive aftercare program. We give scholarships. We have a teen program. We have 2 camps for the children, and that's provided by the Aluminum Cans for Burned Children funds.
Camp Phoenix is the rising up from the ashes, and that's what we're looking to do with the burn survivors, is have them emotionally kind of rise up and survive all that they've gone through.
The whole aspect of how shy and withdrawn many of these kids come into camp, and that's the big change. Day 1 to, let's say, day 3 and day 4, when they're really coming out of their shell and they're doing what kids are supposed to do, have fun.
One of my most special memories is a child that was in a house fire, that when she first came out to camp, her head was always down. She never looked you in the eye. She always tried to do anything she could to avoid you. And now, many, many years later, she is a vibrant, intelligent, articulate, full of life woman that has accomplished so much. And she looks you in the face because now she has enough confidence to do that.
Knowing Linda has affected my life a lot because she's helped me overcome some challenges. And even if I didn't want to do something, she would force me to do it just to overcome what I didn't think I can do. I feel like I'm definitely a lot stronger knowing her and being here with everybody else.
I think when they come to camp, they no longer feel different and stared at. They feel a part of something.
I don't even see their burns. I've seen a lot of the kids since they've been real small. Now some of them are camp counselors, so I've seen them grow. That's what I love to see about the kids.
It gives us a sense of belonging and a break from the outside world.
I feel that it's important for survivors to interact with other survivors. For one, they can get an understanding of someone who already has been through it.
If it wasn't for camp, I wouldn't come outside, because a lot of people thought that by what happened to me, I'd be in a house, so I would never come outside. I never have any friends. I never experience anything. I proved them all wrong.
I see them making more of their life after being burned than they ever would have had they not been burned. That's a miracle. And there's nothing that could gratify a doctor more than to see that happening because of their interventions and helping to open the way for people to be healed from the inside. It means everything to me.
I don't even know whether I feel a part of this. I feel like it's a part of who I am. It's no longer what I do, it's who I am. And I think to be fortunate enough to surround myself with these unbelievable survivors, firefighters, medical professionals, families, my life feels so much richer because of it.
Healing is from the inside out. And the only way we can help patients be healed is to give them an environment in which they feel safe, where they trust the people around them and can open up to people.
The first time I came to camp, I was a little shy about the other persons not liking me, and then it started liking me.
My favorite thing about camp is to meet new children.
Coming to camp gives me more self-esteem.
We know what each other's gone through, so we know how to deal with it.
When I first came to camp, I thought I was going to have a lot of fun, and my wish came true.